Once upon a time, in a faraway kingdom, Princess Lisa lived happily with her parents and brothers. But everything suddenly changed when the queen passed away.
Meet your new queen, everyone.
I will rule with love and magic.
These boys are so loud. I hate them. We did nothing wrong to you.
Just wait and see.
Fly away into the night! You are birds now!
Stop it! Leave my brothers alone!
Goodbye, Lisa. We must go. I will find you. I promise.
Where are my sons? I cannot find them.
They ran away. They do not love you.
10 years have passed. I still miss them.
Now you are ugly. Your father will hate you.
Go away. You are not my beautiful daughter.
Father, it is me. Look at my eyes. I have no home now. I am all alone. The forest is so dark. I must be brave. I will rest here. I am so tired. This water feels so clean. It washes the pain away. I am me again. I feel the magic. Please, kind lady, have you seen 11 brothers?
I saw 11 swans wearing golden crowns.
I am coming, my brothers. I will not stop. Where are you? The sun is going down.
We are almost home. We are so tired.
Lisa, you have grown so beautiful.
My brothers, I finally found you.
We are men by night, but birds by day.
How can I break this dark curse?
We must fly across the sea tomorrow.
Oh, take me with you, please.
Hold on tight, sister.
Do not fall!
The wind is too strong. Keep flying.
I believe in you, brothers. We made it just in time.
I am so cold and tired.
You must weave 11 shirts from nettles. Nettles? They will hurt my hands. You must not speak. One word will kill them. I will stay silent. I will save them. Goodbye, sister. Wait for us. It hurts so much, but I must be strong. 1 shirt down, 10 more to go. I can do it. The pain is worth it. I see their faces.
Stop the horses! Who is that beautiful girl? Why are you hurting your soft hands?
I cannot tell you.
You come with me. I will give you a happy life.
This is my new queen. Respect her.
He is kind, but I must finish the shirts.
Eat something, my sweet queen. You are too thin.
I have no time for food. I must weave.
She is a witch. I can feel the dark magic. We must warn the king immediately. My king? She weaves dark magic all night. Nonsense. She is just quiet and sad.
Oh no! The nettles are gone. I need more. I must go to the graveyard. It is the only place. It is a quiet night tonight.
Aha! I caught you, witch. Let us see where you go.
The dead are here. It is so scary. I cannot hear you. I only see my brothers.
Picking weeds among the dead.
10 shirts. Just one more to go.
If you are lying, I will take your head. Come with me tonight, my king. See for yourself.
The last shirt. I need more nettles. Just a little more.
I must hurry. The dawn is near.
Look, my king. She is a dark witch.
No, my nettles.
Are you a witch? Speak to me, please.
Just trust me, please.
Burn the witch! She brings bad luck! Burn her! Burn the silent witch! Take her to the dungeon. She will burn tomorrow.
Almost done. I cannot give up now.
Tomorrow you will die. I cannot save you.
Do not cry for me, my love.
Thank you, little friends.
Fly faster! The sun is rising! We must save our sister! Move it! The light is coming! Move faster, witch! The fire is waiting!
My brothers, where are you? Hurry!
You'll burn regardless!
No, they'll come for me. I know it. She looks so evil.
Burn her to ashes!
Any last words, witch?
Squawk! Stop the fire! Look up! What are those birds? What is happening?
Do not touch her. Stand back.
I did it. The shirts are done.
Oh my God.
My hands! I have hands again! We are human again. Thank you, sister.
Now, I can speak. I am innocent, my king. I am not a witch.
You can speak. Oh, my sweet love.
She saved us from a dark curse with pain and silence.
I was a fool. Forgive me. Please, have mercy. I made a mistake. Quiet. You will go to jail. Your poor hands. I will love you forever.
My heart is happy now.
It is wonderful to see so many loyal subjects gathered here. We have much to celebrate.
Your Majesty, your daughter and sons are alive. My children. Is it true?
No! My power is gone. The curse is broken. Curse that girl. Curse her magic.
Your time is over, wicked witch.
Welcome home, brave princess. Thank you. We are glad to be back.
I am so sorry, my child. Please forgive me.
I love you, Father. We are home.
We are back, Father. Together again. My strong sons. My heart is whole.
To the bravest queen in the world. You are the light of my life.
And you are my safe haven.
I will never let anyone hurt you again.
The past is gone, Father. Only the future matters. The pain is gone. Only love remains.
The view is beautiful, isn't it? You saved us all with your pure heart.
We will never be apart again.
Peace at last. And they lived happily ever after.
There are many more magical stories waiting for you. Like and subscribe for more easy English fairy tales. See you in the next story.